Hello. Yeah, welcome back. In our previous class, we defined chemistry as the study of matter and the changes that matter undergoes and the properties of matter. Today, we're going to look at matter and its properties, which is basically what chemistry is trying to understand. If you look around you, you see substances, you see everything, pen, paper. I have a plastic bottle here. Some of them we can see, some of them we can't even see. These are all substances around us: wood, metal, plastic, glass, almost endless things we can see. We can't see air, for example, but we know that air exists. Those are all matter. So, matter, if you're going to define matter, matter is anything that has weight and volume. Or better put, you could say anything that has mass and occupy space. Volume, because volume means it's occupying space. That's why I said to have a volume. So in chemistry, we seek to understand how matter behaves and the properties of matter and the changes that matter undergo. But it's important to be able to define certain terms. Take, for example, if I tell you all substances are made up of tiny particles called atoms, all right? Now, when you look at the word atoms, there's another word called particle or corpuscle. It used to be the old name of particle. Now, a particle is a small part of an atom. In fact, in science, a particle is defined as any basic unit of matter. All right? Any simple unit of matter, any basic unit of matter, and energy. So a particle is any basic unit of matter or energy. And there's really no quantity to say what a particle is. But an atom, on the other hand, is the smallest part of matter. All right. So the smallest part of matter or the smallest part of a substance is said to be an atom. Okay. So everywhere around us, everything around us consists of particles, which are small parts, and consist of the very smallest parts, which we call atoms. So if you take this paper, for example, if I tear a bit of this paper and tear a bit of it and keep tearing a bit of it, all these smaller bits are particles of the paper. Okay, the paper is a substance, and the paper is matter. They are particles of the paper. But the smallest part of this paper that I can ever get to is the atom of the paper. So I've been able to define particles for you, matter for you, and an atom. So I'll just take it back again. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, or matter is anything that has weight and has volume. On the other hand, a particle is the simplest part of matter. All right, it's a very simple part of matter, or a basic unit of matter, so to say, or energy. They use both particle in energy and in matter. Whereas an atom is the smallest part of matter or a substance you can ever get. The smallest part. When you keep breaking it down to the tiniest part, you get the atom. So I hope that helps us. And in the next class, we're going to discuss concepts like elements and molecules and ions and stuff. And then we'll build on those precepts. I'll see you again in a minute.